The good news when you operate a consumer platform is that you have so many sources of consumer feedback. There's obviously research that we do directly with our customers and with prospects. There is feedback they give us in our call centers. There's feedback they give us in the online forums we maintain for them. There's feedback they give us in forums they create for themselves. And so what we try and do very broadly is look at a combination of both the structured and unstructured data we collect, look at the volumes of feedback we get in any category and the depth of impact that feedback might have on either solving a consumer problem or addressing an opportunity we see. And we basically just rack them and stack them, meaning we prioritize them by impact and scale, and then we methodically plow through them. And the great news is not only does it allow us to sort of continue to have like a living and breathing platform and product, but it also means we're kind of constantly in touch and being responsive and anticipatory of our consumers' needs. I am Liza Landsman. I'm the CEO at Stat. Catch me on the Marketer of the Month podcast.